DIY submarine science toy. My name is Adrian. Okay, today we are going to have a demonstration of submarine science toy DIY. We can see there is a submarine science toy inside the water tank, and we have a tube. And if we transfer some air from outside through the tube into the submarine science toy, we can see the piston on the top side of the submarine has been moved, and air was transferred into the submarine body, and then the submarine will float up. If we remove the air, the submarine will go down to the ground. Okay, we change the average density of the submarine by using transfer the air into the submarine or remove the air from the submarine body to outside. Okay, you can see again we transfer the air into the submarine now, so the average density of the submarine will decrease and it will float up, and we remove the air, the average density of the submarine will be increased and the submarine will fall down. We see again transfer air into and remove the air to outside. Okay, again we transfer the air or gas into the submarine and we remove the air again, the submarine fall down. Okay, it is controllable. Okay, let's see the design of the submarine science toy. It looks like an aircraft because we want to decrease the drag force when the submarine toy is inside the water, when it is go forward direction. Okay, let's see the structure. We can see the other model. When we open the top cover of the submarine science toy, we can see the piston is here. So we transfer air into this space and remove the air to control the force from outside. We can put some small stones or metal screws to increase the weight in the position of front nose or at the tail position, so we can control the balance of the submarine. To control its balance is very important. It will like a submarine if it is balanced. Okay, let's see the motion again. We increase air and it float up, and we decrease. We remove the air and the submarine will fall down to the ground. Okay, if you are interested in this topic of science toys DIY, you can go to internet to search Adrian Shasha Science Classroom. There are a lot of science toys and DIY models and many science study topics, science projects there. Okay, how about making a DIY science submarine by yourself? It's funny and interesting.